Hello and welcome, Greg here from Stafford Land Rover, once again showing you our newest approved used stock. Today's return of this lovely Range Rover Evoque D200 Dynamic HSE, finished here in this stylish Eiger grey metallic paint. Make sure to check out the description below, as it also features a number of factory fitted extras. Key equipment highlights will include these pixel LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, whilst around the side optionally upgraded 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels will also contrast beautifully against the paint. In the rear, signature shaped slimline full LED tail lights are also on offer, with prominent decals and badging around the sides and a contrasting black roof with features panoramic sunroof. For easy access, there is keyless entry and start available with a power operated liftgate, revealing a practical load area for your weekly shopping, whilst 40-20-40 folding split seats will help create even more space when needed. Inside, ebony black leather upholstery will unlock seating for 3 with center armrests and cup holders, as well as their own air vents, whilst in the front there are decorative door and dash inserts and upgraded front seats that offer full electric adjustment for maximum comfort. The driver can certainly enjoy this leather-wrapped multi-function heated steering wheel along with paddle shifts for a dynamic drive and an IDD interactive drive display up ahead. Center PV Pro sat-nav has also got the likes of 2-zone climate control, a fully heated front windscreen and even selectable all-wheel drive system. Built-in satellite navigation will always ensure you never get lost, and FM and DAB radio will help you find your favorite stations. Both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto projections are available, with handy 3-stage heated front seats for the colder weather. There are various other functions on offer, such as a host of active safety systems, and helping you park is a rear view camera complemented by a wide-angle lens, as well as front and rear parking sensors. Down below, a hidden wireless induction charger is available for a compatible device, and overhead easy controls to retract that electric sunshade blind to let in plenty of natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Range Rover Evoque that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.